Yo, what's good everybody? You are seriously gonna want to hear this. Right now in Marvel Contest of Champions, you can grab up to 1.57 million pool shields for free. Yeah, no clickbait, no joke, completely free. And the stuff you can buy with it? Absolutely nuts. You can even pick up a 7-star Onslaught, one of the straight-up best champions in the entire game right now. Like, bro, if you're not getting in on this, you're actually missing out big time. So let's not waste any more time. I'm gonna break it down for you nice and easy. Let's roll. Step 1, free pool shields. Easy 600K. All right, first one's light work. Just by logging in, Kabam's throwing 200,000 pool shields right at you. Then, go into the Summoner's Market, scroll down a little, grab the free package sitting there. Boom! Another 400,000 pool shields. So that's 600K just for showing up. Didn't even have to fight, didn't even have to sweat. Just log in and tap a couple buttons. Not bad, right? Step 2, grind for 440K pool shields. All right, now if you want to stack up even more, you got to do a little bit of work. But it's honestly super chill. There's an event going on where you can pick up 440,000 pool shields by just racking up points. Here's the trick though. And if you're wondering, yo, where do I find Deadpool? Easy. Just jump into Road to the Labyrinth, Quest 1.6. Deadpool's just hanging out there. Real easy fight. So you smack him up, exit, run it back, and just keep farming him. Stack those points, knock it out quick, and grab your 440,000 pool shields. Easy money. Step 3, daily supers. 420K pool shields. All right, now this one might sting a little bit. There used to be 420,000 pool shields hidden inside the daily supers. Keyword, used to. If you were smart and collected them, big W, you're chilling. But if you missed it, man, it's gone. They yanked it out of the game. No way to get it back now. So if you snagged it early, good on you. If not, don't worry. There's still a ton of free pool shields left to grab. Step 4, 110K free pool shields from Summoner's Market points. And one more super easy pickup before we wrap this up. Head over to the Summoner's Market and start collecting market points. Don't overthink it. You're just aiming for the first 2 milestones. Grab those. That's another 110,000 pool shields in your pocket. No crazy grind, no drama, just some free goodies waiting for you. So yeah, when you add it all up, Kabam basically just handing out blessings right now, and it's up to you to scoop them up. Get out there, stack up those pool shields, and good luck picking up some crazy stuff in the store. Especially that 7-star Onslaught, because man, that dude is a straight-up problem. Anyway, that's it from me. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.